Sorry, what was that? Sorry, I don't speak broke. I can't hear you. I'm too rich, I can't hear you. I hate those AirPod jokes, those aren't funny.
You should see me in the crowd. I know there's nothing to help.
Hey cuties, and welcome back to my channel for another video. So it's very popular on YouTube to do a what I got for Christmas video, so I guess I'll be filming one today. And I don't want this video to come off like, oh my god, like look what I got and be jealous of me kind of thing. It's just kind of, I think these videos help people for like gift ideas and stuff, and just people like to see like hauls of things people got. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this video and see all the things I got for Christmas. And I'm so thankful for everything I got, and I'm so thankful for all the people in my life who got me these gifts, and I'm like forever grateful. So I don't want this to come off as like braggy or, you know, flexing on people, because definitely not.
I can't hear you. I'm too rich. I can't hear you.
But I'm so thankful for all the stuff I got, and I thought I'd just share with you guys what I got for Christmas 2019. So let's jump right into the video. So I guess we'll start with like what I got in my stocking. My mom always makes our stockings, and all my sisters, I have two sisters, so my two sisters always get those Terry chocolate oranges. And as I got older, my favorite chocolate became Toblerone, whereas they love the Terry's chocolate orange. So I always get a huge Toblerone bar in my stocking. So that's the first thing that was in my stocking. And then my mom got us a bunch of these like face masks, and then some good old Blistex, you know, keep those lips nice and moisturized. My mom's looking out for us, doesn't want us to have chapped lips. Then she got us this Pretty in the USA from Benefit. So it's basically just like a kit with like a bunch of things from Benefit. It's a blush, bronzer, and brow palette. So I'm gonna pull her out for you guys. So this is what it looks like. And then when you pull it out, it has a little brow pencil in the bottom. I can't really take it out. And then it has this like little palette. And when you open it up, it has the Hoola bronzer, the Rocketeer blush, and then the Dandelion Twinkle like blush highlighter. I don't actually, yeah, it looks like a highlighter, right? Highlighting face powder. I don't know. Anyways, I'm really excited to use that because Benefit makeup is like really expensive, and so I never purchase it. And the fact that my mom got us these little like palettes is perfect, because now I get to actually try out those products. And then of course in our stockings we got a bunch of underwear, so some Calvin Klein underwear. I mean, I got a bunch of like, I mean, you guys don't really need to see you guys don't really need to see my underwear, but got a bunch of that. And of course it wouldn't be Christmas without socks, so we got a bunch of socks as well, which I really need because I go through socks very quickly and I make holes in them a lot, so lots of fuzzy socks. And also we got mascara. I think it's from L'Oreal, Luminous Lash Paradise mascara. My mom got us that. And then she got me these earrings. Yeah, those earrings were also in my stocking, and they're really pretty, and they're gonna go really well because I also have a rose gold watch, and a lot of those were rose gold. So, and then the last thing that was in my stocking is this candle from Bath and Body Works. I don't know if you can see that. It's my favorite scent from Bath and Body Works, which is Warm Vanilla Sugar. That used to be my like signature scent in high school and stuff, and I used to love getting all the like body washes and perfumes and candles and stuff. So I have a candle that I've had since high school, and it's a 3-wick candle like this. It's really big, but it's finally going, like the candle wax is like all the way down here. So I was like, I need a new one. So my mom got me one. It smells like heaven. Okay, so I think that was everything for my stocking. Now I'll get into sort of the more presents. So you guys have already seen this present. It's my name necklace that Justine got me, and I'm obsessed with it. I actually love it so much. Like, it looks so cute, with so conceited with my little name necklace. And one of the biggest presents I got, which is making this video as wonderful as it is right now. I'll turn the camera around and show you guys. I don't know if you can see the ring light. But yes, I got a ring light. My mom got me a ring light, and honestly this has been such a game changer. I don't know, I'll show you guys. It has like a little remote, so I can turn up the brightness and turn down the brightness. Oh, it's very natural. I think I like it like that. And then you can make it warm, so it's like warm toned, and then you can make it cool toned, and then you can make it just normal. So this is gonna be a game changer for my videos because honestly, right now the lighting is so perfect. I'm so obsessed with this ring light. You guys don't even know how obsessed I am because it's coming off like, I don't know, I'm looking in the little viewfinder and it's coming off. It's gonna take the quality of my videos up a lot of notches because I could only really film in my room because I have, it's like a ring light mirror that you can do your makeup in. And so I could only really film there, but it's really big and heavy. Super portable, I can take it with me and I can film in different locations. As you can see, I'm filming in front of, ow, oh, something just poked me in the back. I can film in front of my Christmas tree because of this. I'm so happy about it, okay. And then also this came with the ring light as well. It's a monopod. So basically like you can attach it up front. But right now I just have it on a mini tripod because I'm like sitting on the ground right now. So 2 other things that are really gonna help with my YouTube channel. First of all, my mom got me a mobile hard drive, which has 4 terabytes of storage. And I needed this because my computer is completely out of storage. I have a MacBook Air from like 2015 and the storage in it is pretty shitty. I just needed an external hard drive to hold all of the videos that I film and save. So that's gonna be pretty key for my YouTube videos. And then another thing that's gonna be really key is my dad got me this, which is a portable, I'll open it up. It's a portable battery. So basically, it's a portable battery so you can plug in your USB cords and you can charge your laptop or your phone. It's supposed to charge your phone up to 6 times without recharging this. And it's supposed to charge your laptop, I think 4 times. Which is so convenient, especially when you don't have an outlet to charge, you know, your laptop or your phone and you need it on the go. It's perfect. I'm so excited about this. I'm pumped. Oh my god, this will be perfect in class too when they don't have outlets in class and I need to charge my laptop. My laptop's dying and I'm trying to like write notes. Just kidding, I don't write notes. And then my mom got me a bunch of pajamas. So I love like Christmas pajama pants. They're like my favorite things ever. And then a bunch of Calvin Klein, if you can see. And there's pants and like a matching shirt there. And then the sweater that I'm wearing is from American Eagle and my mom got that for me. It's a cute little Christmas sweater. I love it. It's really comfy and it fits perfectly. Then my sister got me, so I don't know if you guys watched on Netflix the show You. It's like that kind of like creepy guy who like stalks a girl, you know what I mean? Joe Goldberg and Guinevere Beck. So basically that series is based off a book called You and then the sequel called Hidden Bodies by Caroline Kepnes. Anyways, so I really loved the first season of the show and I was like, I have to get the books. I have to. Like I heard that the books are like amazing. So I've read the first chapter so far and I'm already obsessed. So I can't wait to finish this and then to read the sequel. And also the 2nd season of the show just came out and I don't want to watch it because I was like, I want to read the books first. But I watched the first episode and I was like, it's so good. I have to watch it. I'm like so mad. Then I got a diffuser. I might open it up for you guys. It's like a mini little diffuser. This is the one I wanted. I asked my mom for it. It's super cute. It's like marble. And then you open it up and, you know, fill it with water. And then my mom also got me some essential oils to put in the diffuser. It's eucalyptus and sweet orange, which I'm gonna enjoy a lot. Then we got some AirPods. And not only are they AirPods, they're AirPod Pros. AirPod Pro. So we got the, you look here. So these are really freaking awesome. I've always been scared to use AirPods because I'm like, they're not gonna stay in my ear and I'm gonna lose them or like they're gonna fall out or I'm gonna step on them or something. And no earphones ever stay in my ears. Never, they never stay in my ears. But like, ready for this guys? Wait. They're not, oh, I can't hear anything either. Sorry, what was that? Sorry, I don't speak broke. I can't hear you. I'm too rich, I can't hear you. I hate those AirPod jokes, those aren't funny. I'm gonna put them back in their little charging case. Okay, then my sister Marlena got me some eye masks because she knows they never sleep and then I have the biggest eye bags under my eyes. She got me some face masks. And then she got me this really awesome, I did my makeup with it today, really awesome palette from Dose of Color. It's called Baked Browns. I'll show you guys. So I used this color as a base and then I mixed these two as a transition shade and I used these in the outer V. So if you can see, I use that for my makeup look today. Thanks, Marlena. And then I asked for some basketball stuff because this year I started getting back into playing basketball, and it's been really exciting for me because I'm refinding my love for basketball, and I realized that all of my basketball stuff is from when I played for Carleton. If you didn't know, I played basketball for Carleton University and all my gear is like Carleton Ravens, so all I wear is like the shorts and t-shirts from them. I even have socks that have like Ravens on them, so I was like, I need other stuff because I don't really want to rep them anymore. I mean, I still will because I need shorts, but so I asked my mom for some basketball socks because I keep ripping all of mine because I've had them forever. I've had them since like high school, and all of my shorts from high school too don't fit anymore. And people keep making fun of me because my shorts are really long, and I grew up very like tomboyish, so whenever I bought basketball shorts, they would always go like to my knees or past my knees, and girls generally don't wear the really baggy long shorts. So I was getting made fun of for looking like a total boy. So I asked my mom for some cute basketball shorts, and she got me some Nike, and they're really cute. They have the little like, I don't know if you can see, it has like the little flap, so it like will make your legs look nice, and they're a lot shorter than the ones I have. And then she also got me a gray pair of Nike Pro basketball shorts, and they have the little Nike symbol and then the little like, it has like the little flap, so it'll look nice on your legs. And then she also got me some Nike Elite socks. I just like the typical like black and white ones. And my dad got me a basketball. Also, yes, I can palm not only a woman's basketball but also a men's basketball, so I just have big hands, so so yeah, got a new basketball because the basketball I have is from high school and it stopped being able to pump up. I don't know what happened to it, but it's like dead now, like it will not pump up. So it's nice to have, and this is the one I asked for. I wanted a Wilson Evolution because I'm really used to these ones and I really like them. So yeah, I can't wait to use this and all my basketball stuff. Honestly, I think that's it. I did get presents from my best friend Kara, but at our family party yesterday, when she left, she took my present instead of taking hers. So she has my present. I think she got me Gymshark leggings, some scrunchies, and what else did she get me? And she got me one other thing, but I can't remember what it is. So that's everything I got for Christmas this year. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm wishing you all a very happy holidays and a happy new year, which is coming up very soon. I'll hopefully get a video out right before then, doing a kind of like year in review of my life this past year, and hopefully you guys will watch that as well. But thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate everyone who supports this channel and is subscribed and likes and comments. Like, you guys have no idea what this means to me. I've been wanting to make a YouTube channel since I was like a kid, and doing this and finally seeing people like support me and support my videos and support like my dreams is like, it's so touching, and you guys have no idea like how much that means to me. And I love each and every one of you cuties, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below because you know I appreciate that so much, and I love you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for sticking with me through this journey, and I'll see you in my next video.